Hey, this is William. I'm with Stephen E. And we're at Orange County Biohacking in Laguna Woods here, and we're going to take a little tour of some of our treatment.
Stephen E. here. We're right now in our hydrogen room, and this is an awesome room. A lot of people come in here. We have what we call our beamer chairs, and these are mats. So this is going to help blood circulation and also inflammation in the body while you're getting hydrogen. And if you're not so tuned in with hydrogen, what that's going to do is get rid of all the toxins. A lot of people that come in here, many people, they say they have mold in the system. This really helps clear everything, get all metals out of the body, and just really gets you energetic and also relax. And one thing I see about hacking is a time to come in and take care of yourself, nurture yourself. So this is what we call our hydrogen room. Let's go and see more. This is a really cool room. Come on here. This is where we have a lot of our biohacking equipment, and you see up on the walls, these are frequencies. And you guys probably heard about Nikola Tesla, hertz. You have 852 hertz, 741. These are all different hertz. Right when you walk in this room, you're gonna feel like you went to a Buddhist temple. You're gonna calm down your nervous system. We have to regulate our nervous system, and that's part of life. And I see biohacking as a way of living, because when we're out in the matrix, we want to be balanced. And so this room gets you balance. Right here we start out with In Harmony. In Harmony is a acoustic vibrational bed. And again, when you lay on it, you lay here on it, and you're gonna have headphones on. And what that's gonna do, the headphones, it's gonna have brain optimization. We're going to take the brain, and usually when you're in pain or you're stressed out, the whole brain's in the amygdala area. It's in the stressful high beta. When you lay on this bed, we have headphones on. It's going to take that brain right out of the high beta, alpha, beta, delta, and even gamma. So therefore that neuroplasticity is going to happen while we're laying on the bed. And I love this in neuroscience. It says that we have our conscious mind, and our body is our unconscious or subconscious mind. This is where all the issues are in your tissues. So we're going to marry that whole concept of mind, body, connection, heart, coherency. So this is a great way for relaxation.
Yeah, I can attest to that. This bed is awesome. It's great. We take turns laying down on here, and it's a there's music, nice music in the high frequencies, and then the bed vibrates low frequency. There's speakers inside the bed that vibrate, and you get a massage, and it's just really relaxing. It's really nice relaxing experience. It's a great experience.
Yeah, it's a great
and
experience.
Being in here with this room, this room, you walk in here, it's just like, wow, I feel the energy change. Like.
And then if I have any patients, clients that have any kind of pain in their life, this is PEMF. And what this is going to do is take the inflammation out of the body, and that usually is causing the pain in the body. I have people coming in here with neck injuries or back injuries. We put this on, and we call this stacking with the In Harmony bed. And this removes the pain, it removes the inflammation. So we have different areas, even on the knees. A lot of people have knee problems. We can put these on your knees. You're gonna have, your knee's gonna feel like it's
it's an amazing experience.
This is my friend Pat Zimmer. He just spent millions of dollars to get this FDA approved. So therefore, it's the only PEMF that's FDA approved, and it is awesome. Come back here. This is my good friend Dr. Carl Caldwell, and this is called Vibrogenic. And this is not any ordinary vibrational plate, because if you go to health clubs, it vibrates you from cranks, and this is all frequencies. It's going to vibrate you from frequencies. This has everything: that prostate cancer, carcinoma cancer, diabetes, arthritis, all the frequencies. Why you have this all vibration going through the body. 10 minutes, listen to this, is equivalent to 1 hour of running, or 90 minutes of a Tai Chi class. So that's very powerful. Also, we have what we call our...
Can we turn this on a little bit? Because when we step on here and this
Okay.
platform,
Yeah.
and it vibrates
Yes.
from
Oh, there we go.
from here,
There we
and
go.
it plays these frequencies that stimulate what, like your nervous system and
Yeah, well, it's going to regulate the nervous system for sure.
Yeah.
But when you have any kind of dis-ease in the body, you're definitely going to get with all the frequencies going to go through. And this is good for the whole lymphatic system. It's good for the regulating the nervous system and also the frequencies. Homeostasis, once in the body's going to heal. And that's what it's all about, getting your body back to having balance so your body knows how to heal. And that's the powerful. Oh, wow. I'm vibrating now. And so, yes. So this is called vibrate. And there's nothing on the planet like this. Like I said, you could go to the gym or you have the plates that vibrate. It's good for lymphatic, but this is all frequencies going through the body. So there's a lot of research on this. It's very, very powerful.
And then what these bands, you put these bands on and you can work out. See, the Vibrogenics machine, you don't just stand there. You can work out, you can move around.
Yes.
And these bands are the BFR bands, blood flow restriction bands, that I showed in a past video.
Yeah. So again, if you guys were here in Laguna Woods, that's right next to Laguna Hills, Laguna Beach, right here in mid-Orange County. Get back to here, we have a different brain optimization, and one of my favorites, Dr. Patrick Porter, is called Brain Tap. And Brain Tap is one of the leading brain optimization, where that's going to really help the brain get out of that high beta and really regulate the brain. Also, we have Neurovisor, and this is any kind of any plant medicine guys out there, ayahuasca, DMT. This is powerful, and this is a safe way to take a journey and also have the same side effects of doing some very powerful plant medicine with shamans or even doctors. This is a very powerful way to get that brain being unstuck. That stagnation is going to release. You're going to get new trajectory, new neural pathways, so you can create a life that you love, and also you feel good too. Because think about this, we're consciousness. This is our avatar body. I'm just recently doing a book. It's releasing next month, the 15th, with Dr. Joe Dispenza. What is the name of the title? Wake Up, Health is Wealth. And again, you could have all the money in the world. If you lose your health, you're going to give all that money to get back.
Exactly.
So the new book's coming out. And again, I'm Stephen E. I sold over 2 million books worldwide with some of the top biohackers out there, and some of the best neuroscientists, epigenetics, spiritual leaders. And this is the real deal of getting you healthy. And I like, you guys are in spirituality, it takes you to the next level.
Yeah.
If you just want to get healthy, it takes you to the next level.
Yeah,
So,
meditation vibrations. My music is going to be in his in his next book.
Yes.
Yeah,
so let's come on over here, and now coming in this room here, we have our.
This is a good one. This is a good one.
The new ones out. This is a trifecta red light bed. The new ones are $70,000. So this is medical grade, near and far red light therapy. So again, inflammation, arthritis, any kind of pain.
Turn it on.
Yeah, this is very powerful. And now Gary Brecka just went on Joe Rogan, and more people are opening their eyes doing red light, just because the mitochondria in the eyes, they dim down, they lose the energy, and it helps even with eyes. So this is red light therapy. Look at this. This is very powerful.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Look at that.
Woo! Yeah.
Yeah. So
you lay down in this thing.
Lay down.
Yeah.
And you just soak in the love of the God consciousness, the love of red light therapy, miracles. And again, miracles happen with all this biohack. This is a new way of fitness, guys. If you're not, we could go and work out at gyms and that kind of stuff, but this is inner fitness, very powerful inner fitness.
Yeah.
And come on over here. I'm going to show you. We'll come back out here. And
it's great for the skin. I use this every day, and my skin is way more clear, and it's relaxing, and just all the other detoxing and all that.
Even in here, we do chiropractic, we do acupuncture. I want to show
in the
you
facility here, So.
This is called a wasabi here. This is a frequency device. Dave Asprey. You guys probably heard of Dave Asprey. He just did a big podcast with the wasabi. We even had clients come in, but this is a powerful way for frequencies. So if you have shoulder problems, knee problems, or even tight muscle, the frequencies go so deep to release, elongate the muscles, and very, very powerful. We won't go upstairs, but we have a room upstairs that we could have about 150 people here and to do live conferences. And soon we're doing a live conferences on stem cells because we're very active in stem cells too, the best in the world, and exosomes and also peptides too. So we are doing it all here, right here, OC, Biohacking, and this is called Laguna Health and Wellness Center. This is great.
Yeah.
Sign off today, Stephen E.
Yeah. Thanks for checking out the video. We'll be back with you soon.